brave the stormy seas to catch the world's finest tuna.
Nature joins the chase as we hunt in deep waters.
A new day begins on the vast golden horizon. Hard work and dedication bring in the day's heavy haul.
Silver giants emerge from the deep blue ocean depths. A predator strikes beneath the calm and blue surface. Freshly caught tuna shimmers on the cold metal deck. Experience guides every movement at the ship's control center. Fresh fish move quickly through the initial sorting stage.
Precision testing ensures only the highest quality for you.
High-pressure cleaning prepares the fish for the journey. Each catch is tagged for complete and total traceability. Heavy lifting requires balance and expert industrial coordination. Rapid cooling preserves the peak freshness of the meat.
Every detail is recorded into our advanced tracking system.
Arrival at the port marks the next busy phase. Massive cranes transition our harvest to the shore safely. Swift transport moves goods through the busy shipping terminal. The cold chain remains unbroken at the processing plant. Arctic air pours out as we unload the cargo. Automated systems take over in our high-tech facility. Expert monitoring tracks every step of the complex process. Pure steam sanitizes the fish before the cutting begins. Robotic arms handle the heavy fish with absolute grace. High-speed blades prepare for the perfect industrial cut. Lasers guide the blade for a perfect, clean slice. Visual checks confirm the beautiful color of the meat. Pressure and precision shape the tuna into perfect blocks. Continuous washing keeps the production line incredibly clean.
Careful hands arrange the fillets for final retail packaging.
Every gram is measured for consistent and fair weight. Fine-tuning ensures the line runs at peak efficiency. Sub-zero temperatures lock in the nutrients and flavor. Perfect seasoning enhances the natural taste of the fish. Marbled perfection defines our premium and delicious tuna selection. Efficiency reaches new heights with our automated canning technology. Pure golden oil completes the perfect canned tuna experience. A permanent seal locks in the freshness for years. Scanning technology verifies that every seal is totally perfect. Thousands of cans move toward the final labeling station. Our brand represents a standard of excellence and quality.
Random inspections guarantee that every single can is safe.
Speed and accuracy define our final packaging and boxing. Digital tracking follows the product to your local store. Massive storage capacity keeps our supply chain moving forward. A mountain of quality waiting for global distribution today. The journey from ocean to table is now complete. Flaky, fresh tuna is ready for your favorite meal. Heat treatment ensures long-lasting safety for every consumer. Industrial preservation technology at its very best and finest.
Constant monitoring keeps the industrial heart beating strong too.
Refreshing water cools the cans after the intense heat. Perfect alignment ensures stable transport for every single pallet. Protective layers secure the cargo for the long journey. Global shipping connects our harvest with the entire world.
A final signature confirms that our high standards met.
Our products set sail for kitchens across the globe. Savor the rich and delicious flavor of premium tuna. Our dedicated team takes pride in every single can. Experience the true essence of quality with Arctic Catch.